Hi, Algebra 1. This is going to go over the 9-5 um, worksheet that would have been given to you on Friday. Um, I will be putting all of these um, on a separate sheet, so I won't be writing on the worksheet because, again, it gets goofy when I'm writing on these worksheets with the graphs. All right, so this is worksheet 9-5. We are given y equals 5, x plus 1, quantity squared. So when you take a look at it on our graph, we have a vertex. It's opposite of that for the x value. There's nothing outside, so that has to be 0. So negative 1, 0, which is right here. Okay. Our axis of symmetry, we know right away because we have the x component of the vertex, so it's x equals negative 1. So it's this dotted line straight down. Our y-intercept, we need to plug 0 in for our x value. So we'll plug it in there. So I'm going to get 5, 0 plus 1 quantity squared, which is 5 times 1 quantity squared, which gives me 5. So 0, 5 is up here. And we actually have the x-intercept. There's only one x-intercept. It happens to be the vertex. And so now we can pattern graph off this. Being we have a 5 out as our front value, so it's going to be 5 times 135. So that's going to be 5 times 1, 5 times 3, and 5 times 5. So I'm going to go right 1 up 5. It took me here. Left 1 up 5. So we see enough. We're not going to do any more plots because up 15 is going to go off the top of the paper. Number 2, we have f at x is equal to x minus 3 quantity squared minus 4. So my vertex is opposite of that. Same as that. So that's my vertex, my axis of symmetry, because we know the vertex is going to be x equals 3. So let's go ahead and plot that. So I'm at 3, negative 4, which is down here. In order for me to find the y-intercept, I need to plug 0 in for the x value. So I'm going to get 0 minus 3 quantity squared minus 4, which 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. Minus 4 is 5. So there's my y-intercept, which is up here. All right, and x-intercept, let's see if pattern graphing gets us anywhere with this. So I'm going to pattern graph, being I have a 1 out in front here. So I'm going to go 1 times 135, which is just 135. So I'm going to go right 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, right 1, up 3, left 1, up 3. So now I know my x-intercepts because those dots were exactly on there. So I have 1 comma 0 and 5 comma 0. And so you draw your parabola, it looks just like that. Number 3, we have y equals negative x plus 4 quantity squared plus 9. So opposite of that for my vertex is negative 4, same as that, which is 9. My axis of symmetry, we know is going to be x equals negative 4. So let's go ahead and draw our axes. Or you actually have it already. So I have negative 4 and 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's way up there. Our pattern graph is going to be negative 1 times 135. So it'll be negative 1, negative 3, negative 5. So it's opening down. So I'm going to go right 1, down 1, left 1, down 1. right one down 3, left one down 3. Then let's see where we can go. Do one more. We'll go right one down 5 and left one down 5. So here's our parabola. So because these dots fell right on the x-axis, I get 1 comma 0 and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 0. So let's figure out the y-intercept as well. So we have the x, these are the x-intercepts. Y-intercepts, I'm going to plug 0 in. So I have -0 plus 4 squared plus 9, which is going to give me, that's going to give me 4. 4 squared is 16. Negative out front comes with it. And then just go ahead and subtract. So 0, -7. So we got a lot of information from this one. Number 4, we have y equals 2x minus 3 quantity squared minus 8. So I have a vertex of opposite of that, same as that. Axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Notice I haven't been drawing the axis of symmetry in. It's not always needed. So, because the parabola is actually the shape you're going with. All right, so I have 3, -8, which is down here. My pattern graph, we have a 2 up front. It's going to be 2 times 1, 3, 5, which is 2, 6, 10. So I'm going to go right 1 up 2, left 1 up 2, right 1 up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and left 1 up 6. So those two values, because they fall right on the x-axis with those points, is going to be 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, 0. Those are my x-intercepts. We have enough information to draw our parabola. Looks like that. My y-intercept is going to be 0 comma something. Plug 0 into the original equation. So that's going to give me -3. -3 squared is 9. So I get 2 times 9 minus 8. So that's 18 minus 8, which is 10. So my y-intercept's at 10. So that's way up here. Okay, which our pattern graph would have gotten us to. All right, go to the back side. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask me. Number 5, they want us to know, hey, what's the vertex of this equation? So the vertex opposite of that, same as that. So 1, -8, looks like answer D. Number 6, what is the y-intercept of this? So the y-intercept, I'm going to plug 0 in. So 0 minus 1 is -1. -1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 minus 8 is -6. So 0, -6, which looks like answer B. Back to graphing. Number 7, we have y equals 3x plus 2 quantity squared minus 5. So my vertex is going to be -2, -5. My axis of symmetry is going to be x equals -2. And I guess we can find the y-intercept before I start graphing as well. Plug 0 in to here. So I'm going to get 3 times 0 plus 2 quantity squared minus 5. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 5, so I get to 7. Let's go ahead and graph it. So I'm going to get -2, -5, which is down here. I then am going to pattern graph, but I have a 3 out in front. So this is going to be 3, 9, 15. So I'm going to go right 1 up 3, left 1 up 3. I can go one more if you wanted. I'm going to go right 1, up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That should be up to that 7. So there's enough information to get it done. Okay, what are our, it doesn't, we have x-intercepts, but again, I don't know exactly what they are because my dots didn't fall right on there. We could solve it, you could solve those equations and get it. Probably use quadratic formula or something. Number 8, we have y equals negative x plus 5 squared plus 7. So the vertex is at negative 5, positive 7. The axis of symmetry is x equals negative 5. The y-intercept, plug 0 in. So I'm going to get negative 0 plus 5 squared plus 7. So that's going to give me negative 25 plus 7, which is negative 18. And we have enough information to probably draw our graph. All right, so I'm at negative 5, up 7, which is up here. My pattern graph is going to be negative 1 times 135, which is negative 1, negative 3, negative 5. So I'm going to go right 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, right 1, down 3, left 1, down 3, and it keeps going. I'm going to go right 1, down 5, 4, 5, left 1, down 5. So because my dots didn't fall on the x-axis, I'm not sure where it crosses exactly. I mean, it does cross the x-axis, but we don't have the exact answers. Number 9, I have y equals 4, x minus 2 squared minus 8. My vertex is 2, negative 8. My axis of symmetry is x equals 2. Let's see, and we can find the y-intercept by plugging 0 in for x up here. So I'm going to get 4, 0 minus 2 squared minus 8. This 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So that's going to give me 16 minus 8, which is 8. So 0, 8's up here. There you go. And our pattern graph is going to be 4 times 135, which is 4, 12, 20. So if I just go right 1, up 4, it's way up there, and left 1, up 4. So we get a parabola. It barely fits on our graph, isn't it? And number 10, we have y equals, oh, did I find the y-intercept on the last one? I did. Okay, never mind. And then I have x plus 5 quantity squared plus 4. So the vertex is opposite of that, same as that. My axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative 5. Our y-intercept we can find by plugging 0 in to the x. So I'm going to get negative 0 plus 5 squared plus 4, which that 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 squared is 25 with a negative coming along with it. So that's negative 21. All right, so my vertex is negative 5, positive 4, which is up there. Our pattern graph is going to be negative 1 times 135. So negative 1, negative 3, negative 5. So I'm going to go right 1, down 1, left 1, down 1. And you could easily find those points. Right 1, down 3, left 1, down 3. Hey, so we do have x-intercepts that we can find. So that looks like negative 3, 0 is an x-intercept. And negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and negative 7, 0. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you another worksheet to have you guys work on. Tomorrow we will work on a review. So you're going to work on worksheet 9.6. If you have any questions about it, please come and ask me. Happy to help you out. And we'll have a review tomorrow, and then we'll have a test on Wednesday. And then I'm going to give you a large packet Wednesday after you're done with the test. That will be the review, in which we'll review. You'll have the opportunity to review Wednesday evening or after class, Thursday during class, Friday during class, and then we have our final sometime next week. There will be a video that will go along with the review packet, so you can study well for the final exam. Have a nice day. Take care.